So in this video, I will show you how you can import your bank statements using DocuClipper to a file that you can upload to your Quicken account. So let's start. First is just navigate to Bank and CC statements found on the left upper corner of the dashboard. You can either upload or drag your file by clicking on the Add Bank, or just simply drag your file there and it should upload. Let's name this as Quicken Test and click on Convert. While the system is doing that, let's just make sure that we are logged into our Quicken account for us to make sure that we can import our file. Okay, so here it is, and I have my accounts added. It's a TD savings account. As you can see, DocuClipper already converted our file. Let's just make sure that all the transactions are converted. So here you can see how many, this page number, the amount, and the description, and there's 7 pages out of 3. Okay. All right. So it says reconcile, and I'm going to download a file now. So in order for you to do that, just go ahead and click on download data. And usually it will tell you like this the first time, but if you haven't picked a Quicken QIF, it will look like this. And then you can just go ahead and click on the drop down and click on Quicken QIF and click on download. So once it's downloaded, you can just go ahead and go to your Quicken account, click on File and look for File Import. Under File Import, click QIF File. And in this pop-up, click on Browse and go to the file where your download is located. So here it's under download, and I'll just go ahead and click on that and then hit open. And then here under all accounts, make sure that you pick the account as to where the transactions belong to. In this case, it's a TV savings, and I've had my account list ticked, special handling for transfers and transactions. And let's click on import. You would know that it is successful because it tells you that the import is successful, and it will tell you as well how many items are imported. It says 86, and in DocuClipper, we have, 86 transactions. So we know that all of the transactions that we have in the file are uploaded in Quicken. So let's go ahead and click on Done. And then in order for you to check on that, just go to your account and to the account as to where it got uploaded. So this one is in TD Savings, and there you can see all the transactions.